So YouTube, uh, developers, W3 developers. Oh, what's going on YouTube? Developers, W3 developers. Everybody, how y'all doing today? It's Saturday. I don't know what part of the world you're in. In my part, it's Saturday. uh, yeah, guys. So today, what we're gonna be going through, we're just hanging out today, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. We're just hanging out. Um, I got a buddy in the chat. He just wants to hang out. I asked him if he just wants to hang out. Say yeah. Um, so let's see. What am I doing today? Today I'm gonna be going through some JavaScript. I'm gonna be doing a little bit of CSS in the background. I might even leave for a little bit. We're in a Zoom call, so if you're in the Discord, go and check out the community chat. And I had posted a link to join the Zoom. I think. Actually, I didn't. So I'm actually gonna post that right now. So if anybody wants to join the Zoom call, you can. And we're just hanging out. Got any questions, anything, just want to chop it up. Make a little message. Uh, Sweet. Do. What are we doing? We're going through Mozilla. I was actually going through this. I was checking out how Firebase works. That's pretty neat. waiting on my buddy to arrive. Before he comes though, let me just tell you guys, man. I don't know about you guys, but me, I think I've been dipping my toes a little bit too much into the into what they call tutorial purgatory. I found myself in there just taking tutorial after tutorial, telling myself I'm gonna take tutorial after tutorial, and then not building projects. So I think the number one or one of the biggest things you guys got to get to doing is just building projects. Like, and I know a lot of people have applied. We have a ton of people that have signed up for a cohort, um, and that's beautiful. But there's a ton of people that have applied for a cohort that have not built projects. So in there it says if you haven't built a project, don't even bother to apply. But then that's why we have the learning group, so that by the time you actually want or get to applying to the cohorts, then you would have already built a bunch of projects, and 9 times or more, and if you've actually stuck it out, then you've already done a tier 1 project in and of itself, which is clone a landing page of some sort, web page. So yeah, that's and just to do it every day, just actually do it. Like, write the code and don't, you can't skip steps. Just be consistent with it. You know, like a buddy of mine said, you can scream it from the rooftops, but unless you actually go out there and do it, you're not really doing anything with it. It's a little 2 cents for you. Alright, so I'm actually gonna start recording this now. JavaScript basics. JavaScript is a programming language that adds interactivity to your website. For example, games, responses when buttons are pressed, or data is entered in forms. Dynamic styling, animation. This article helps you get started with this exciting language and gives you an idea of what is possible. Alright, what is JavaScript really? JavaScript, JS for short, is a full-fledged dynamic programming language that, when applied to an HTML document, can provide dynamic interactivity on websites. It was invented by Brendan Eck, co-founder of the Mozilla Project, the Mozilla Foundation, and the Mozilla Corporation. JavaScript is an incredibly versatile. You can start small with carousels, image galleries, fluctuating layouts, and responses to button clicks. With more experience, you'll be able to create games, animated 2D and 3D graphics, comprehensive database-driven apps, and much more. JavaScript itself is fairly compact, yet very flexible. Developers have written a large variety of tools on top of the core JavaScript language, unlocking a vast amount of extra functionality with minimum effort. These include browser application programming interfaces, APIs built into web browsers, providing functionality like dynamically creating HTML and setting CSS styles, collecting and manipulating a video stream from the user's webcam, or generating 3D graphics and audio samples. Third-party APIs allow developers to incorporate functionality in their sites from other content providers, such as Twitter or Facebook. Third-party frameworks and libraries. You can apply these to your HTML to allow you to rapidly build up sites and applications. Because this article is supposed to be a light introduction to JavaScript, we are not going to confuse you at this stage by talking in detail about what the difference is between the core JavaScript language and the different tools listed above. You can learn all that in detail later on in our JavaScript learning area and in the rest of MDN. Below, we will introduce you to some aspects of the core language, and you'll also play with a few browser API features too. Have fun. A hello world example. The above section might sound really exciting, and so it should be. JavaScript is one of the most lively web technologies, and as you start to get good at it, your websites will enter a new dimension of power and creativity. However, becoming comfortable with JavaScript is a little harder than becoming comfortable with HTML and CSS. You may have to start small and keep working in small, consistent steps. To start with, we'll show you how to add some basic JavaScript to your page, creating a hello world example, the standard and basic programming examples. Important, if you haven't been following along with the rest of our course, download this example code and use it as a starting point. Pause the recording right quick. What's up, dude? Who's there? Abdallah, where you going, man? What's happening, dude? Um, I'll open up my code. I can't hear you if you're saying anything. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh my gosh. Oh snap. I gotta turn all that down. Hello? Hey, what's up, dude? I'm sorry. I didn't know you were saying anything that entire time. I had my mic muted because a whole bunch of stuff. But you were hearing me? Did you hear that music going in the background at the same time? You heard it from the very start? Oh, I was gonna say, oh man. Alright, cool. Alright, let's see. Oh man, I'm just doing some JavaScript. About to start learning some JavaScript, man. Yeah, dude. Yeah, yeah, I'm going through it. I was actually so I started from right here yesterday, and then I've been going down through it. And you can start like right here, maybe like dealing with files or like JavaScript or HTML basics. And just go through that, and it's really short. It's probably like it's one page. That gives you the gist. But yeah, I'm about to open up my code editor and of JavaScript. What about HTML and CSS? Nice. Yeah, yeah, they're easy. Just get them all done. Get them all done today. You can do them all today. They're super easy. Yeah. I'm sorry, what? To start what? JavaScript? Oh, that's because you haven't been doing it, so you gotta just do it. You know? That's the only way you're gonna get it done is to just do it. The only way to motivate yourself, is to get it done. Like even if you're feeling like not like I didn't feel like doing all this, but I saw that you were on here and I was like, well, I don't know who Bro is and he wants to join, so I was like, all right, cool, that's some dedication. I see he wants to do something and get some stuff done. So how about I just start this up, start up a YouTube call, start up a Zoom call, and just just hang out, right? For other people who aren't as motivated to you to even reach out in the chat, who are just feeling like, oh, I don't feel like, I don't even like if I send this message, I don't even think anybody's gonna hit me up. Yeah, we'll hit you up and just like we're ready to do this, man. We're ready to write some code and just knock some code out and get some stuff done, bro. Because that's what it's all about, bro. Just getting stuff done, dude. Yeah, so you just gotta open up your text editor and just open up your browser and finish those free code camp projects in CodePen. Yeah, I'm gonna come with you. Hey, and while you're finishing that second project, go ahead open your browser, go start free code camp, share your screen. You know how to share screen? Hit the screen share, and I'll be right back. Just start the free code camp project though. I'm gonna stop sharing my screen now, and I want you to share your screen. Give me 1 second, bro. Here we go. Start sharing your screen. No, no, no. I'm gonna continue with JavaScript when I get back, but you're gonna continue with your second project. Nah, but you're gonna start it now. Yeah, yeah. And I'm about to go to, and I'm gonna go to the gas station right quick, and then I'm gonna be right back in like 10 minutes. If you finish your second JavaScript project while I'm gone, finish your third JavaScript. Yeah, yeah. Responsive. I apologize. Yes, sir. The responsive. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we can do that. But just share your screen with me right quick. You can share your video, and I'm gonna turn my video off, and I'll be right back, bro. Just open up the free code camp. Uh, Go to the second project, knock that out. Once you get done knocking that out, knock out the one after that. I haven't even knocked out the projects yet, but I've looked through them and I know they're super easy because I just want to make a video doing it so that you're doing this. That's gonna be nice too. You're just getting it done. So I might not even have to make a video. I could probably just, um, you know, I can just put your videos up, dude, and we can call it a speed run. While you're going through this will be your free code camp speed run. Yeah, dude. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop the last video and I'm gonna start your current video now, and it's gonna be recording, and it's gonna be its own video, and I'll be right back, dude. So start it up, finish up. I'll be right back. Have fun.
Yeah, bro. Try to knock out all three of them today, bro. You could probably knock out two of them before I come back, but I'll be right back.
Yo, what going? How you doing? Hey, the music's not too loud, is it? Okay. Did you finish that second project yet, or you still working on it? Nice, dude. Ah, yeah, that's good. Have you done all the free code camp? Or all of the front end? Responsive, I mean? You say no? One second. I said, can you hear me better now? Did you finish all of the responsive, the HTML and CSS? Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, you gotta just start that, man. You gotta go back through it. And now I think it's about time, since you've already done the free code camp, I think it's about time you stepped it up and just started looking at the documentation at Mozilla.org. The developer, the MDN, Mozilla Developer Network. You should definitely start like looking through that documentation and just start going through that. Like if you don't, and watch YouTube videos, man. Like check out, just start building stuff. That's what you need to do. Yeah, you don't want to get trapped in that. So now it's just time for you to build, man. You know, like take what you learn and just build with it. Build a website. Clone a web page. Do anything. Make a picture. Make a form. Yeah, yeah, dude. Anytime, man. I see you're committed. I know I've seen you around before, and you told me you've been here for a minute. So, you know, I'm not trying to exclude anyone. Like if you really want to be in here and getting stuff done and just you know doing things, man. That's what we're here for. Yeah, man. Glad you found us too, dude. You just gotta keep up momentum, man. Like Quincy Larson said, man. Just keep the momentum going. That's what it's all about, man. Just getting stuff done and stay and keeping it. Just keep doing it. Um, serious. Oh, hold on, give me 1 minute. back, dude. Talk to me. I'm here. Can you hear me okay? Alright, it says user story number 4. Inside the form element, I'm required to enter my name in a field with ID name. So, ID name label is a different ID. That's a separate ID. That's not the same thing. Yeah, those are two different IDs. Two separate ID. Uh, so you have one ID named the name, and you have a second ID named name label. Yeah. I'm sorry. What? What do you want to do now? You need the second. You need the syntax to add the second ID. I'm confused by your question. I'm not sure which number or which question you're stuck on. Okay. Okay. All right. So it says user story number 10 for the name, email, and number input fields inside the form. I can see corresponding labels that describe the purpose of each field with the following IDs. So it says for the name, email, and number input fields inside the form, I can see corresponding, so that means the same, labels that describe the purpose of the following, or excuse me, the purpose of each field. So I'll read that last part again. And the input fields inside the form, I can see corresponding labels that describe the purpose of each field with the following IDs. So basically, for the name, email, and number input fields, you should have an ID that says name label, an ID that says email label, and an ID that says number label. But they should be for their respective, um elements. Uh, well, it says inside the form element, I am required to enter my name in a field. I don't know, but it says name, email, and number. Input fields inside the form, I can see correspond. So your label, I think you should have a label that has an ID. You're not gonna have the. It's not the name. It's not the name that you're. It's not the name tag or the name. It's not that. You're not targeting that element. You're gonna target an input within that. I mean, a label within that element. Yeah. So I think so. I actually haven't done this challenge, so I would have to look at it and see where you would have to put it. But you're gonna add the label. Really? Sorry for what? Oh, you should be. It's nice you're here. Have you used Git, GitHub, Git or GitHub? Oh, I could probably help you out with that, dude. Yeah, yeah, I can help you out with that. The best way to do it, to learn it, is probably to do it. To like, I can like, got a couple. I think my videos might be too long. I have to like redo them. I gotta make a new video, like 12 hours. But no, like, cause it was like a whole bunch of people who were teaching how to do it, and we were doing it for like all day. Sage. How you doing there? Huh? Oh, you made that? a nice one. That's right. I make it. Make it. You are. You finished? Okay. Where are you coding out of, bro? No, no. I mean, what country are you from? Yeah. Over there, man. Why is your English so good, dude? They got good schools. God, you speak English so well. Yeah. You don't even like. I don't know. So what's it like over there, man? Is it like European countries or no? Like Britain or yeah? Is it cold up there or is it hot right now? It's cold. What's the temperature? What's the temperature like in Fahrenheit? I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to get you off topic. Oh, that's cold, man. I thought it would be hotter. Yeah, it's probably like 60 right now over here in Florida. It's like 60 degrees in America in Florida right now. Yeah, I think it was like probably hit like 75 today or something. 78. I don't really know. Yeah, yeah. It always feels like summer out here, man. Or spring, autumn. Hmm? It'll get to like 100 and something like daily. Yeah. Except it doesn't get as cold. You're like in like I went to Jacksonville to go do a job up there and it was like we were waking up at like 8 in the morning, go to work and man, it was cold. It was probably like 30 degrees out. I was like, You finished that project? What about it? Okay. So that's a radio button. You put the radio button in the like go to the free code camp challenge. Go to the free code camp challenge. Yeah. Scroll down. There you go. Now you have to have multiple. Now you have to put that in again to get a second one. And you have to change the name of it from indoor to outdoor, the name and the input ID. You have to change it for the four because the four matches the ID on the input. See, the four and the input, I mean, and the input ID are the same. They're both indoor, and then the type is going to be radio, and then you're going to put which one you want them to choose. So this is going to be the indoor type, so they can click indoor for this one, and then you also put indoor inside of the label for the text. Okay. Yeah, give the four. Put the input. Go back to the free code count. Now now where are you putting this label at? The label should be inside of a form, shouldn't it? Go to the top or scroll to the yeah. All it should be in the name of creating the form. Scroll down in the side panel. Yeah, so it goes inside of a form. So if you're gonna do that, you need to make sure that you're putting your label and your input elements inside of a form element. You can, all right, there you go. All right, so go back to your code pen now. Yeah, so make sure. So there's your form, and where's your? All right, so scroll up. Go to the bottom of that form, to the end of your form, and exit out some of that white space. All right, that's fine. All right, now close your label, close off of that label, because right now you have one closed label and you have one open label. So yeah, close off that label tag and give your labels fours and give your inputs IDs and make the inputs and the fours. I mean the inputs and the labels have matching IDs and matching make the four for the label match the ID for the input. So you're gonna have to give it an ID for the top one as well. You have another label format up there as well. Oh, that's okay. So that's like a header. Okay. No, it won't. No. Yeah, give all right, so you gave it a four. Make the all right. So the four and the ID. Go back to the free code count. What's it say? You have to give it a name, a type, and a. So give it a ID. You gave it an ID. Now you have to give it a type of radio and a name of indoor. Yes, a name of indoor or a name of yeah. Give it a name of whatever you choose to give it a name of. Yeah. Yeah. Of course. Well, I mean, you can stay stuck and not know, or you can do that and know. Because you have to be a Google Kung Fu expert, a Google Fu expert. when you work at your job. You're gonna use Google. That's why when you go to work, the telemarketers they don't get allowed access to Google, but the developers do. That's why, because we need information. They're not gonna tell you to remember. You're not gonna memorize every single thing, but you're gonna learn how to use it. No, because they should automatically break themselves. They'll move on. Go ahead, try it out. See what happens. You're gonna have to style it with your CSS. You know how to use CSS? No? You know how to use CSS? No? Okay. Yeah, yeah. Just go back through the course, through the courses, the free codecamp courses, and also go through the Mozilla developer course, or at least the CSS basics. All right. Huh? No, it's a input. You put the no, you don't put the indoor out. Oh no, no, I'm okay. Yeah, no, I'm in the car. Every day we cold. Every day we cold. Every day we coding something. Every day we coding something. Every day we code. We code at least 10 lines of code. Every day that we just code it. And we code it every day. Every day we code. Every day we coding something. Every day we coding something. Every day we code. Every day we code. Every day we're coding something. Every day we coding something. Every day we code. Every day we code. Every day we're coding something. Yeah, we just be coding something. Every day we code. Every day we code. 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 Write a lot of code. Write a lot of code. 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 Right? Code on the daily. Don't stop. Code, baby. Code. Write it. Write it. Code. Write it. Write it. Write it. Go back to that. Yep. Alright, now notice. That's the exact same thing. The only thing is, it's just got checkbox instead. So basically, you can copy the above radio buttons and just change them up the checkboxes. So right. Why? I think you gave that a different ID than your other ones. Oh wait, never mind. I'm sorry.
We'll do like 3 items for now.
Okay.
So we go on Jack.
Don't. Don't. This on the regular, baby. I can't stop. I do this on the regular, baby. I go hard. I do this on the regular, baby. I don't stop. I do this on the regular, baby. I go hard. Yeah, we go hard. Don't stop. Yeah, we cold daily. Get it done. Don't stop. Cold, baby. Cold lately. Have you written cold lately? I cold, baby. I cold every day. What are you trying to do, bro? What you're gonna, yeah? Ah, okay. Yep. Go hard. I do this on the lately daily. I can't stop. Gotta break cold lately. Go hard. I do this on the lately daily. Can't stop. I can't stop. Cold, cold. Write a lot of cold. Cold, cold. So you got the form, action, ID, and then you got the name. And you have input. Yeah, no, it's just the name like with wrapped in the form. And then you have input, type, text, input, type, submit. So that's all the text area is. Don't, don't, don't. Oh, so it gives you the HTML. Your job is basically to do the CSS, make it responsive. Sweet. Yeah, yeah. Go faster with knocking this HTML out. Oh, really? My bad, dude. You're going hard, man. What's it called? I'll walk you through the CSS. I'm not the best, but I'll try to help you out a little bit. You can't slack and you can't take shortcuts on your CSS. No, because that'll lead you to, like, it's so easy. Trust me. Okay, then. That's cool. Yeah, that's cool. 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 I'm sorry, what? I know, thank you, dude. Hey, you can have these beats too, they're all free. Um, Send me a message on Discord and be like, yo, send me those gravy beats, bro. Actually, go to YouTube. Go to YouTube right quick and type in gravy beats. What do you use, Chrome? Gravy. V like Victor. No. It's right there. Yeah, yeah. Go right there. All his music's free, and that is Trap Asian. Yeah.